ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Big City Crypto Community. So guys, I am here back again within a fabulous project. The project name is the Value DAO. So let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. I'm not here financial advisor. This is not investment advice. Make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for any profit and losses. First of all links provided in video description. You can check out the Value DAO. Driven by the community for the community, you can check white paper, phantom drop, raffles, FAQ, and this is community OpenSea. Instagram social links also provided. Welcome to the Value DAO. Explore the roadmap so you can what the accept, and you can check you need to validate a key NFT to gain access in the wallet of the assets accumulated within a wallet. Key NFT is your key to participate in a community governance through the DAO decentralized automatic organization along with other exclusive benefits. There will be only 2500 of this key will be ever exits. You won't need a valid key. Participate in our ongoing referral of giveaways. You can access the exciting events through the official links. You can also check out your decision is join us to create value. Let's have some fun. Best luck of winning big. You can click on learn more and you can also check out enter the value. 1 chance to the win 10 Ethereum, 3 chance to the win 5 Ethereum, airdrop guaranteed 10 legendary diamond key. This is listed supply 2500, and you can also check out 2 max spell that you can click mint. You can also mint here. So let's talk about the home page, then I tell about other features. Valid key holder benefit. First of all, shared equality. Owning the valid key NFT means owning a 1 in 2500 share of the company and all assets within the DAO. Your key represent direct stake in the collective ownership. This is exclusive voting rights. Investment security, community treasury. You can also check out more benefits. This is the roadmap. Phase 1 phantom drop, total supply 2500 key and mint price 0.052 max per wallet. And here you can see 25% minted, 625 sold. One lucky holder wins 5 Ethereum at the random. 50% minted to 1250 sold. You can check out one holders win 5 Ethereum random. You can also check out this is third. 75% minted 1875 sold. You can check out 5 Ethereum random, and here you can see 100% minted to 2025 sold, and one lucky holder with 10 Ethereum for random. You can also check out the FAQ section. What is a DAO? What is an NFT? How to access? You can also check out the all social links, Discord and OpenSea. So this is the roadmap. You can also check out the white paper. This is you can also check out a full roadmap about this project, our mission. This is the Value DAO mission, community expectation, crypto and NFT, and click on the wallet. You can also check out what is the wallet and feeding the wallet and smart contract and factorability, minting NFT, disclaimer and burning machine, reward distribution, common and diamond, automatic reward selection, time spent, airdrop. This is community engagement. You can check here community engagement. This is phase 2, and holders benefit, unique selling proposition, and this is the rarity chart. You can also check out valid key and diamond valid key 10 legendary 1. You can also check out the key and here you can see how raffle work, and you can follow our website, Discord, Instagram, voting both OpenSea and terminology and raffle reward distribution. You can also check out the raffle reward and winning price 2 to 30% of the example 1 Ethereum. You can also check out the example here, and after all you can check out how to mint. Simply go back. After going back to the home page, simply click on mint option. After clicking the mint option, this interface will be open. You need to connect your wallet first. Simply click on connect wallet. You can use MetaMask, Zerion and Wallet Connect. So if I use MetaMask, then you need to connect to your MetaMask account. After connecting your MetaMask, you need to enter your MetaMask password here. So I am entering my MetaMask password, and after entering the password I click on unlock option, and my MetaMask will be successfully connected to this Value DAO, and I click on connect, and after connecting you can check out my wallet has been successfully connected. You can check out price per NFT 0.05 Ethereum each, 2 minted offer, and you can also check out minimum amount how much you want to buy, and here you can see simply click on mint, and I don't have any balance, and then click on mint NFT now, and your mint here will be started. This is the Value DAO collection. You can also check out Value DAO Ethereum collection. This is 1 Ethereum, and you can click on buy now. This is OpenSea. You can check out all OpenSea link, and if I click on community, you can check out OpenSea is provided. Simply click on OpenSea and this interface will be open. You can check out, and this is Discord community, and this is latest project. I only have 26 member. You can simply enter your username, then click on continue and join the project. So it's very amazing project. I hope you never miss it, and this is very 100x gem. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question related to this project, do a comment in our video. Definitely we will reply you.